Bullish Gochain cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of 2 cents and 6 cents by 2030. Market experts accept Go could reach 2 cents by 2025. Bearish Gochain market cost expectation for 2022 is $0. Gochain presentation. Gochain is an inventive token with a strong specialized establishment and a noteworthy rundown of organizations, yet presently can't seem to make a leap forward. Recently, the versatility of blockchains has been an interesting issue, and the champ could enjoy an upper hand over any remaining digital forms of money. One of the latest participants into the conflict is Gochain, which professes to be multiple times quicker than the Ethereum organization and a superior choice to shrewd agreements by utilizing proof of notoriety as an agreement convention instead of proof of work or proof. As well as being multiple times quicker than Ethereum, it expects to be multiple times more decentralized and consume multiple times less power than Bitcoin. Many coins and tokens in comparable situations as Gochain have similar market capitalizations to their neighbors. Subsequently, their rankings can change decisively inside a solitary day. If you have any desire to dive more deeply into Gochain, its set of experiences, tokenomics, and cost expectation, continue to peruse as this Gochain value forecast will uncover all that you really want to be aware of the Go token. By and large, our essential spotlight will stay on the Gochain cost expectations from 2022 to 2030. What is Gochain? Gochain is an Ethereum-based blockchain that is versatile, quick, and secure. The digital currency takes into account high exchange volumes and fast check. Gochain can perform X100, a bigger number of exchanges each second than Ethereum. Gochain's change to a proof of notoriety agreement model thinks about the standing of all organization members. It's to guarantee an organization is completely secure and liberated from any inside or outer issues. All members in the Gochain blockchain should have a standing, and endeavoring to swindle the framework in either monetary or marking terms will bring about serious outcomes. Generally, Gochain has enhanced the proof of power model by renaming it proof of notoriety for most organization members. While the confirmation of power can in any case be utilized, yet just for hubs with a heavenly standing and enhance the organization. Moreover, the blockchain was intended to be Ethereum viable, and that implies that current Ethereum-based chains can without much of a stretch progress to Gochain. Gochain tends to the centralization, versatility, and energy utilization gives that plague blockchains that utilization confirmation of work as an agreement system. While evidence of work is a decent blockchain calculation, it has filled its need by beginning the unrest. This is the ideal opportunity to change to something quicker, more adaptable, decentralized, and energy effective. It likewise goes past Ethereum brilliant agreements to make something more steady and helpful. Gochain coin outline. The Gochain stage utilizes a proof of notoriety agreement model, which thinks about the standing of all organization members. Gochain, which professes to be completely viable with existing Ethereum wallets, savvy contracts, and different instrument, means to empower designers to convey decentralized applications on a more energy-proficient organization than Bitcoin or Ethereum. In the event that you're pondering where to purchase Gochain, the top digital currency trades for exchanging Gochain tokens are Binance, KuCoin, Gate.io, Upbit, and Bith. Gochain current cost. Gochain is as of now worth $0. Go has moved 1.46% as of now with an exchanging volume of $71,586. Gochain is as of now positioned 759 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $7,742,269 USD. Using the overall strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal union dissimilarity from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Gochain to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation estimates utilize constant Gochain market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in view of current market action. Gochain value expectation 2022. Gochain, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The Go cost conjecture for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, potentially coming to $0. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be steady, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $0 cost is very aggressive, yet it is achievable sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and headways. Go is supposed to have a base worth of $0. Gochain value expectation 2023. In 2023, Gochain Go cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the expected declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Go will before long outperform 1 cent. Nonetheless, we ought to hold back to check whether the Go's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Go will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 1 cent and a typical exchanging cost of 1 cent. Gochain Value Expectation 2024. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach 2 cents and Go may benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Go is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 2 cents and a low of 1 cent in 2024. Gochain Value Forecast 2025. Assuming that Gochain effectively supports market opinion among digital money lovers, the Go coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Go will be green in 2025. The Go is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at 2 cents, with a base cost of 2 cents and a typical cost of 2 cents. Gochain Value Forecast 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the Go cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 3 cents by 2026, with a base cost of 3 cents anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, Go has a greatest value worth of 3 cents. Gochain Value Expectation 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 3 cents. In the event that Go figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of 4 cents. Neglecting to assemble the help Go necessities by 2027 could bring about a low of 3 cents. Gochain Value Expectation 2028. While Go is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry connection, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at 4 cents and a yearly cost close above 4 cents in 2028. Gochain Value Expectation 2029. By 2029, Gochain will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be 5 cents and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of 5 cents, averaging out at 5 cents. Gochain Value Forecast 2030. The cryptographic money market is known to be exceptionally unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gauging is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to figure future costs with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that digital currency should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the most extreme Go cost in 2030 is projected to be 6 cents in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of 6 cents. And Gochain is an Ethereum-based blockchain that is adaptable, quick, and secure. The digital money considers high exchange volumes and fast confirmation. Gochain can perform X100 a greater number of exchanges each second than Ethereum. Gochain means to go past Ethereum's shrewd agreements by utilizing POR instead of POA and POW. POR considers client notoriety for guaranteeing the organization is secure and liberated from possible outer and inward disappointments. Gochain has changed a few enterprises since its beginning. Numerous controllers have supported the coin, and a group of specific designers is attempting to advance it and increment acknowledgement. This guide is a self